I have this Kelvinator refrigerator in my trailer and it's not cooling, and I suspect probably the compressor or relay. So now I'm at the back of this refrigerator. So as you can see, there's a relay attached to the compressor. So I'm gonna have this removed and probably have it tested or replace it. So you remove the clip. Easy. Oh, this is the cover. Take this out, but make sure your refrigerator is unplugged. There you go. This is the relay. One of the problem in this, if there is a defect, if you shake it and if you have something, then this relay is bad. And another way is have it tested by multimeter to check the continuity. But since there is a clicking sound when you shake it, there's a problem. We'll check again this continuity. There's a continuity probably, and that's one. As you can hear the tone, it's okay. But because of the when you shake it, you can hear something loosen up. I'm gonna replace it. Another thing is this one. I might probably replace this also. Yeah. So this one, it might come up along with the relay when you buy it. So I'm gonna replace this also. And then you can test this 3-prong from compressor. I'm gonna check if there's a continuity. So attach your red one here to the prong. And then attach, connect the red one, black one to the compressor. This one is good. This one is good. All those goods. Because if there's you hear the tone, that might have the problem. But I think the compressor is good. So I'm gonna take the parts. So I got a new parts. This is start relay refrigerator. I ordered from Amazon for about $14, and when I put this, it should work. My refrigerator will start cooling again. The old one, this one, as you can hear, there is something inside when you shake it, whereas this one, it's nothing. So I'm sure my refrigerator will start cooling again. And I saw a lot of people, I've seen a lot of people throwing their refrigerator on the outside. They may not probably know what was the issue, but the main issue is if your rep is not cooling, it's about to change the relay, and you can spend less than $20 instead of buying a new one. Hope this will help you, and thank you.